But you haven't even opened the gift yet.
I even not opened the gift, but I like it.
Already? She already likes the packet.
Me too.
This is the princess packet. Okay.
Can I open it?
No, wait. One second. Yeah, sit down. Sit there. Sit here. Yeah.
Here. Sit down. You can open it now, Papa.
Okay. Who's opening first? Open.
Can I help? Can I help you? That's a cute dog. Aww. That's my dog. I have a dog, Mama. Oh, Peach. A dog. Ah, she has something. Can we take it out now, Mama? Can we break it now? Yes. Can we break it now? Mama.
Do you wanna give your dog to Anya, and you take Anya's gift?
No. No, Mama. Can you open mine?
ये तो real dog चलता है ये तो.
No.
Okay, what do you say?
Thank you, Rupa Masi, for that. Rupa Masi gift. Please, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.